Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. For today's quick breaking news, we have Cardano is now supported on the Nano Ledger S. And as you guys may know, I personally am a strong believer in hardware wallets like Nano Ledger, Trezor, and such. Now, I personally think that's the best way to keep your asset and just feel safer about it. Of course, there's extra steps that you can take once you have the Nano Ledger to even secure your funds even further. So it's pretty exciting piece of tech that Nano Ledger team and other hardware wallets have created. And I'm actually going to leave a link in the description below if you're interested in getting a Nano Ledger S, and as well as the article to which I got this information from if you would like to read a little bit more about that. Also, if you guys want me to make a video on how to get yourself set up with your Nano Ledger S and the ADA wallet, let me know and I'll bring that out to you guys. But that pretty much covers it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.